trying to install this Boyesen Quickshot 3 on this Yamaha YZ250. So this jet right here, I don't know, this jet right here, you're supposed to remove it, plug it with this, and instead of using this jet, you will now use this jet, which is adjustable by spinning the knob, just like your air and fuel mixture screw. This pretty much is the same concept, and you know, you could by screwing this, you can regulate the fuel flow. So he installed this on there, but never plugged that hole, and then he sold the bike to me because he couldn't get it started. And I bought a new carburetor. Oh, not an OEM one, aftermarket new carburetor. I don't wanna remove those throttle cables, so I'm gonna try to pull it out through here, so I don't have to remove it completely. Okay. All right. Now, just gotta try to get this as close as I can and lay it on here. All right. So I got this aftermarket carburetor for like 90 bucks, which is not too bad. I can't seem to adjust the carb correctly because my bike keeps on shutting off, keeps on dying after I start it. It would not idle. Since I have this Boyesen 3 from the old carb, I decided why not put it on. I mean, it cost $100 for something, right? $100 for that thing, so it must do some good. So why not install it in this? I'm gonna do that right now and give it a try, see if that will help out. And since I'm gonna remove this, I'll change out the jetting and put it back to stock, because this carb came with the pilot screw and the main jet completely off. Main jet, it's at 135, and I believe the stock is at like 178. So that's pretty far off. This is a 178 right here. So I'm gonna remove this one. Hopefully my phone don't fall. It's heavy. What size is this? 135. 135 when it should be a 178. That's a big ass difference. 48. Huh. Well, stock should be 42. Okay. 42 is bigger than 48. 48 is such a tiny hole. I don't think that's clogged, is it? Yeah, it was clogged. Now the 48 has a bigger hole than the 42. It was clogged. That's what happens when you don't put a fuel filter on. Oh, can't believe it. It was clogged, and that's why my bike keeps stalling, because it wouldn't be able to feed gas in there. I'm going to put 42 in it, just because that's the stock. I'm a little bit relieved. I mean, I figured out what the issue was, in a way.
Okay, 178, let's go.
Alright, now it's ready to be put back on. Yo, my yo. Shit. My phone freaking fell. Glad it didn't break. Okay, it idles now. It idles a little bit better. So, that helped out a little bit. I just gotta play with it and get it adjusted. I'll do that tomorrow. Time to go to bed.